Hello everybody, welcome. Julian, Lara at Lara Farms Miami has done it again. He delivers, like literally delivers. He delivered or had delivered all these avocado varieties to me. And there's so many different avocado varieties here that I'll get to try and let you know how they were. And look at that. So some of you always say, well, I always have a new favorite fruit or a new favorite variety of a fruit. Well, when you get varieties of fruit sent to you like this, you're going to discover some pretty new ones, and it's pretty amazing. And I'm going to go through some of these right now, but you can get a variety box of avocados right now from Julian at LaraFarmsMiami.com. I'll put the link below, and it's amazing. So I already have a Catalina tree, and I'm already done for the year, but he still has some. So Catalina is a really nice one. And this goes all season, all the way till March. He's going to have avocados. Different varieties. This one is one we discussed last year. This one's called a bumpy. Look at that. That is amazing. And it tastes amazing as well. So he sent me several of the bumpies. Now I already ate one that I didn't even, I lost the name and it was okay. But there's one in this box that I had that stood out. Every year it stands out. I don't know why I don't have a tree yet, but I got to get one of these. And you got to get one of these. It's a mid-season avocado, and now is the time for it. What's so great about this avocado is it turns like a purple, black, brownish color when it's ripe. So I always like avocados like that because it helps tell you when it's time to pick it. He calls it Lara Purple. Lara Purple. So I had it yesterday, and I'm going to go to my neighbors. I have some of it left. And I had more than some of it left, but my kids and my wife ate some of it. They loved it so much. But the part I have left, I'm going to go over to my neighbors and I'm going to share it with them and get their opinion about it. But I think it's absolutely wonderful. It's mid-season. It's Lara Purple. I definitely recommend that one. I first tasted the Lara Purple Avocado last year when I did a video with Julian, Lara, and Tom from Sleepy Lizard Avocado Farm. Here's a clip of that. And I still love it this year. Definitely got to get a tree. Here's the clip from the video I did last year of my first time tasting the Lara Purple and my reaction.
What am I eating here?
This is the Lara Purple.
I love it.
Or the Purple Simmons.
I love it.
I love it.
Simmons, it's like
right?
a Simmons, yeah. I'd say it's a little firmer.
Yeah.
And the Simmons is already firm, but that's a very firm.
And it's easy peel, and we got that little purple action.
Oh, it's beautiful. And then this is something you could even bread and fry, like avocado fries.
It's very firm. You can cut it into cubes and use it for sushi.
Yeah, yeah.
What's this one called?
Lara Purple. It's very dense.
I like it.
Excellent.
Oh, okay. Hey, Paul. We agree.
Excellent.
I'm digging this.
I'm going to be honest. Look.
My dad selected this back in the 80s.
If something's not good here, I'm going to tell you. But this is...
Sorry, Paul, go ahead.
Excellent.
Yeah. From a seed.
Wow, that's fantastic.
That was from a Simmons seed.
So Julian,
that's the same season as now. Same season now?
Yeah, right now.
So Julian,
this is the Lara Purple.
The Lara Purple.
Or I like to call it Purple Simmons. It's more easier to remember.
Yeah, and definitely a winner in my book. That is delicious.
Super dense.
That is delicious.
Sticking to my throat still a little bit.
Yeah,
And this will go down nicely with some rice and beans.
I'd say my early season ones, Dupuy and Simmons, are great early ones. And mid-season, absolutely Maria Black, Improved Pollock. But now I have to add to that the Lara Purple. Excellent. Nice big fruit. Really nice. Lara Purple, high in oil. And I know there's so many I'm missing, but those are definitely winners, all of those. And then the late season, we got the Ronnie, which also comes from Lara Farm. Actually, one of them in here is a Ronnie that he picked early for me. We have the Ronnie, we have the Oro Negro, which is not the best producer, but the best tasting Oro Negro. And then there's the classics like Monroe and Choquette that everyone seems to love. When you compare them to these others, I don't think they have as high oil content, so they're not my favorite, but they're really good. But Kampong. Kampong's a great late season one. But there's some others that we done. This one's almost ready next. And there's some others. So let's go to my neighbors now and see what they think of the Lara Purple. All right, everybody, here we are. This is my neighbor Ram, and Alexa's holding the camera. and we're going to taste this today. This is another amazing avocado from Julian at Lara Farms Miami. It's a Lara Purple. Lara Purple. Now, the improved Pollock is called Lara Pollock. That's a different one. This is Lara Purple, but it's a similar season. It's a late summer, early fall. It just went out. This was the last one on the tree, and I wanted them to taste it here because
we're
it's
avocado
really wonderful.
aficionados around here.
Here you go.
Looks like it had
I'm
a big
going to taste this after I give you.
Sure.
Looks like it had a big seed.
Oh,
The seed, as big as it was, the flesh, it was a good amount of flesh.
It's a good one.
It's really high. It seems high in oil.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
It's a very good one.
Oh, that is delicious.
I've had these before. This is and they turn purple when they're ripe or red. So this is definitely one that I would recommend people getting. And you might think we're always giving thumbs up to avocados, but there are so many that I don't film that I might mention aren't good, but I want to show you the best. And Julian's often sold out on the trees when I make videos, but he does have the Lara Purple in stock right now. So definitely get him. And let's see what Alexis had to say about that. Even though you didn't wait, but let's see.
Oh, no, I couldn't wait. I'm sorry. It was already peeled, so I had to try it. It was delicious. I really like it. It was oily, very tasty, smooth. I liked it a lot.
Yeah.
So what about the production of it?
It produces great.
Okay.
It's produced great, and it's a good size avocado.
Yeah.
It's on the bigger side.
That's
Yes.
a good one.
Yeah, I definitely would recommend it.
I like that it turns purple because now that I'm finally growing avocados, it is so difficult to know when they're ready. And so something like this at least lets you know, hey, dummy, it's ready.
Yes,
Take me.
definitely.
You know? And,
For a mid-season avocado, this is one I would recommend. I'd recommend this, Maria Black, and Improved Pollock. And those would be some mid-season avocados I would definitely recommend.
I think this is a winner.
No, that's nice. Very nice.
Alrighty.
Very nice.
All right, everybody. That was my neighbors, and I'm always like to run by things by them because if I like something, but they don't, taste is subjective. But if we all three of us agree, then chances are it's a pretty spectacular fruit. And that is a spectacular fruit variety of avocado, Lara Purple. So we have some others here that he sent me. This one's called Beta. I had this last year. We'll have it again soon. That one looks like it's going to be ready next. And looking for the names and all. This one is early Campong. Normally they're ready in like January, but this is early Campong. Marcus Pumpkin. That's a small Marcus Pumpkin. Now a lot of people really, really love Marcus Pumpkin. They're great, and there's a lot of flesh. They're really big. To me, they're not as good as some of the other ones I mentioned, but they're good. And this one's Reed. Now, Reed's interesting. This is a California avocado, Reed. And it's always been my favorite previously to getting this avocados here in Florida. This one grows mostly in California. This is super small. I don't know when the season here is this for South Florida. I'm looking forward to trying this one. But it's what I really wanted to get when I first got into avocados before I discovered all these amazing varieties. Reed avocado. And I don't know if just the Florida versions are small, but this one is a super small one. But excellent. If you're in California, that's the one I would have, Reed, amongst the great Haas's that are out there also. Now, you can get great Haas avocados here as well. But with all these other varieties, I like these other varieties actually better. But that Lara Purple, that's a winner. And avocados will fruit in pots. I have an avocado that's fruiting. It has 2 fruits in it only, but it's fruiting in a pot. It's 25 gallons, so I'm sure if I upped it, it would do even better. So that's something to consider. And you can keep them small in the ground. That's something to consider as well. But I wanted to get on here and let you know that Julian has the Lara Purple in stock, and he does ship in the mail. So you definitely want to pick up a Lara Purple avocado tree from him. And you can also order a box, a variety of avocados from him as well. Put the link below. Until then, everybody, thank you for watching. Your questions below. Have a great day and keep growing.